Today, I wanted to introduce you to the rescue version of Brody. If you don't know who Brody is a viral golden doodle on TikTok and Instagram. This guy reminded us so much of him. Right now, we're getting ready to start working on his groom. He has been taken into a rescue. I believe he either came into a shelter or was dumped and found as a stray. What we're doing right now is we're just kind of taking an assessment all over, seeing what we have to work with, what we need to do. We're gonna go in with the shears and really start just getting off these really thick crusted mats. I like to remove these beforehand because what I do is I don't actually clip below the mat, I clip on the mat. So I will clip the mat halfway, and what that does is it allows me to help break it up easier to where it's more comfortable for the dog, and then that way we're able to save a little bit more face. So with doing that, it really does help the dogs get a better chance at getting adopted. If I was to go in and completely shave off his muzzle, it would make the chances of him getting into a home as quick as he did a lot less likely, because people just unfortunately, it while we believe humanity over vanity, vanity is very real in the rescue world. And being able to save coat is huge for these dogs. So we do the best that we can to be able to save what hair we are able to. So right now we're going through, we're getting all these huge chunks taken care of. I really like to actually use these shears. They are, don't judge me, they are sewing shears. But they work really well for this job, and they help me get in and just cut this gunk out of there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna soak him in the tub. We're gonna bathe him in nasty critters. Okay, I completely forgot to film the bathing process. I'm so sorry. But we bathed them in nasty critters, and then we did the nasty critters line. We did their de-shedding shampoo by the girl with the dogs. I love the stuff, especially for rescue grooms. Right now, we're gonna go in and really get all those really long toenails taken care of. They were so long to the point that when we were cutting them off, they were flying across the room in the trailer. And you could tell that the way that he was walking was altered because of how long the toenails were. I'm trying to do this voice recording in one go around. I am so new to this. Bear with me. It feels so weird hearing my voice back as I record and edit these videos. I am not a video editor. Oh, by the way, this guy is gorgeous. This is how he turned out. I mean, you would never have thought that this dude was the dog that I showed you beforehand. And being able to take the opportunity to do these grooms and give these dogs these second chances is huge. This dog went from either being a stray or a stray that was brought into the shelter to this, and he really is the rescue version of Brody. He is absolutely gorgeous. He has a great temperament and personality. I just cannot believe that this guy was in the shape that he was. He's amazing.